Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a reverse video edit on CapCut browser. And I'm gonna say it again that I'm on the browser and I'm not on the app, so before there's any confusion, I just want to make that clear. You can do this on the app too, and there is a video on that on our channel, so you can go check that out. Select the video you want to reverse and just add it to your timeline. And once it has fully loaded, you have to select the video to show these tabs. If you don't select the clip at all, you won't be able to see it, so select it and then select reverse. And then you're just going to wait for the video to reverse. It does take longer if you do it on browser rather than doing it on the app. So as you can see, it's still at 2%. So hopefully hopefully your clip is shorter than mine, so it won't take as long. But I guess we're at 90% now. I didn't know how long this was gonna take, so I'm just gonna wait for it to reverse till 100%. And then that's it. Once you're done, you can just play it and review your reversed video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!